So I'm going to do something very small today on the Shogun, but it is going to be quite significant. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do lettering using white paint pen that I have. This is a specialized paint pen which is available on Amazon. I'll give the link in the description. So using this pen you can make the letters white on the bike, so it's as simple as just coloring it. So right now, as you can see, you can't see any writing on the tire. So with the magic of editing, I'll just show you how it looks once we write using this white pen. So here is the difference. In a black bike it actually makes a significant difference. It looks pretty nice. So brings the spottiness in the bike. So I paid like close to 60 rupees plus shipping for these pens, and like what I've done here, I'll do it on the other side as well as front. So once that is done, I'll post some pictures. So also check out our Instagram to see these pics. Alright, thanks a lot. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.